Hello and welcome again. We want to talk about the control panel. Now, this is a big one because the control panel, like the name implies, it is where you have access to control the whole of this PC. So, let's quickly dive in. So, from your search bar, just type in control panel and the option pops up. Click on it and here you go. Now, some of the control panels which you open up might not look like this. It might look this way. There's no problem about it if it looks this way. All you need to do is come to your view by, click on category and choose either large icons or small icons. So whichever one you want to use, you're free to use it according to what you prefer. But for the course of this tutorial, let's just stick with the large icons so that it can be visible to everyone. Now, like you can see here that it says adjust your computer settings. That tells you that there's a lot of things that can be done on the control panel. Now, for the course of this tutorial, we're just going to take the basics. We're not going to go advanced into it. We're just going to take the basics for you, a computer user. So the first one which we'll be taking is the user's account. We want to talk about the user's account. Now, all of this here, they are very important settings to your computer. So I would advise that whatever you don't know about in this place, don't bother to go there for now. Let's just stick to what we want to learn in this tutorial. So the first thing is coming to the user's account. Now, what exactly does the user account does? What does it do for us? The user account helps you to manage the users on this computer. So with this computer, you can have more than one user. You can have several users. Maybe you're a person who uses your computer for freelancing or for business. You want to have a personal account for yourself with a password so that you would limit the number of users that can access your document at a particular time. But at the same time, you want to give your children access to your computer to use them for learning purposes, to use your computer for learning purposes. So with that, you can actually use the user's account to create another account for your kids or for your family. And how can we go about that? Let's breeze through this control panel user's account to know exactly how it works and what it can do for us. So the first thing is you can see here that it makes changes to your user account. Now you can make changes to my account in PC settings. Make changes to my account in PC settings. If you click that, it's going to take you to the PC settings where you can make changes to your account, to this personal account. Now, you can change your account name from here. So if I want to change my account name, all I need to do is put in the new account name which I want this account to carry, the new name. You can change the account type. So if I want to change the account name or the account type, all I need to do is to put in my password and then just slash the yes button, and it's going to take me to where I can change. You have the standard account and the administrator account. So if you choose the administrator account, it gives you access, complete access to the system. But if you click on standard account, it only gives you access to that account. You cannot do anything outside of that account. It will prompt you to enter your password. So that's a way of protecting the administrative rights on this computer. Now you can manage another account. How? You can create another account. So I'm just going to put in the admin password for this. So if I put an account name now, if I put my main, I don't need to put a password. If I click on next, it's going to go. So the following user will be able to sign into this PC, my main. Yes, if I click finish, that's it. That person will be able to log on this computer without a password. So this is how you can actually grant access to members of your family or friends that you don't want them to have access to your computer. That is one way. Now that I've created this account, I might literally not need this account. So what do I do if I don't need this account anymore? All you need to do is come to manage accounts from your user account, come to manage accounts. When you get to manage account, click on the accounts that you don't need anymore. So I'm going to click on my main And then I'm just going to say delete account. You see, you can change the account name, you can create a password, you can change the account type, and you can delete the account. So I just want to delete the account now because I'm not going to be needing the account. So delete files too. Delete account, and the account is gone. So that is how to create user account, manage the account, delete the account on your Windows PC. Now you can also change your user account control settings. And this settings is notification each time a software is being loaded or there's a changes in your Windows setup. So if you want alerts, always notify. If you don't want it to notify at all, never notify. But that is not recommended, so let it be always notify. And then click your OK. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.